Hello friends, in today's video I have 4 different hauls from 3 different Goodwills for you. Are you ready? Let's get started. These 2 Goodwill birds were absolutely adorable. Unfortunately, one of them has a chipped beak. I don't think I noticed it as I was looking at them, but when I put them in the cart, I noticed that. And the funny thing was, "You're no good, you're no good" was playing on the radio. In green, there's a new Goodwill opened right beside the current one on Maslin Road, and they specialize in gift items. It's mainly glassware and lots of things to hang on the wall and little tchotchkes. I was there on St. Patrick's Day and I found something that they had hidden, which allowed me to win a $10 gift card. I actually had Mickey riding around in my cart for a while. When I looked him up, he wasn't worth that much. And then this next item, I just couldn't decide, and I wasn't sure if I should pick him up for my booth or not. So I left them both behind. I found the Avon, and it was a different one than I've ever seen before. Have you ever seen this one? This little bucket was probably from the Dollar Tree, and it just made me giggle that they wanted $3.34 for that. My hauls today are from 2 different days. The first day I went to the Goodwill in Green and the Goodwill on 62 in Canton. So I'm going to show you those items first. I found this, and I know people just love cats, so it's got a little thing on the back that it can be hung, and it was $2.59. I just think it's got such an adorable look to it. What do you think? That will be for sale. And then I found this. I'm going to put up on the screen a screenshot of what I found on eBay. I think this is a rather rare item. I've never found one in the wild, and I don't know. I don't want to force it open, but do you know, is it supposed to open or not? If you know anything about that, I would love to know. But I think it's so pretty, and it would be very cute in a bathroom. Anywhere though, really. And then the best item probably of the whole haul, I would say, was this amazing mushroom. It's got skeletons on it. Can you pick up on that? It's just very well done. It's a nice ceramic piece. And this was $4.55. This will be for sale as well. And then when I went to the Goodwill in Green, I found 2 items. I found this willow tree. I am going to check with my subscriber that collects these to see if she wants it. I'll check before the video before the video goes up. I paid $3 for them. Let's see what the name is. Mother and daughter. So I'll put on the screen if it's available or not. She gets first pick on those. And then I found this adorable little baby. Look how cute. It's a baby angel. Very precious, and that was $2. That's it for that Goodwill for that day. And then the next day I went to Goodwill in Green and Goodwill in North Canton. That's kind of been my new thing. After I get my allergy shots, I go to the Goodwill in Green, and then I hit the Goodwill in North Canton on the way home. So the Goodwill in Green did not disappoint. I found this cute little clip frog. It's wooden. I love the eyes. And that was $2. And I found a couple birds. I'm pretty sure this might be Westmoreland. And I checked with John, my friend who works down at Majestic. Ooh, don't fly away, birdie. Stay right here. And he agreed with my research. He thought it was Westmoreland too. This was $2. And then I found 2 of these, but I only bought one because the other one was broken, unfortunately. It's a goble. Isn't he sweet? A little birdie. And he's $2. He was $2. I couldn't find a thing wrong with him. And then I found another frog. I just thought this was super whimsical and cute. It's a stone that's been painted very well, very expertly, I would say. And this was $2. And then I found 2 different ashtrays. I have been on an ashtray binge lately where I've been finding them. They sell in my booth. They take a while, but they do sell. This one was $2. Amber colored, a very nice shape. And then a smaller one, also the square one, was $2. And then I found myself something for my collection. I found this acrylic. It's a globe that's in acrylic, and on the top it says Alltel World Class ESC SC, and that would be an advertisement giveaway, I would presume. And that was $2, so I will be keeping that in my collection. And then the last stop I have for you for this haul was the Goodwill in North Canton, and I found 4 items there. I found this adorable little sewing box, or basket, I should say, and it's got some items in it too. I'll show you those. This was $2.59. I got these. This just reminded me of my dad. Not that he sewed. Well, actually he did sew in the Army because he had to. But this would be how he would fix something that needed repair. Didn't matter what it looked like as long as it was functional. And there's a lot of needles that are still in there. And I would say that was probably the most common one of these that you would see. Well, maybe there was a couple of them that were common. That's not the exact one I thought it was, but the ones with the ladies sewing, I think, were more easy to find than some of the ones that people collect today, like my friend Melody. This says Tupper Craft on the top, made in USA. And I can't pick up, oh, there, Orlando, Florida. As far as I could tell, whoops, you put the needles inside and then the lid on, and then you press down and they come up one at a time. I'll have to check that out. And do you know, was Tupperware made by Tuppercraft? I said that backwards. Was Tuppercraft made by Tupperware? I would love to know. Isn't that a cool color, like a soft minty green? And then there was also a pin cushion in here. I will ask my friend Tina if she's interested in that. It's not a tomato, so I'm not sure. And there was a little thing with thread and one needle. There's a nice thimble that looks like the one my mom had, which I still have. And then there's a tape measure. All of that goodness was together for $2.59. And then I found this trinket box, and it's glass, and it's 2-piece butterfly, and it was $2.59. Butterflies do sell for me. I did pick up a butterfly from my friend Beth, and she has her own little selling thing going on Facebook. And I will link that up above and below for you. And then I got a grab bag with some keychains. Actually, let me dump them out and we'll see. There's 2 of them that are keychains. I just think these are so whimsical and fun. This one says Puerto Rico on it. There's that one. They're very lightweight wood. And this one also says Puerto Rico. Look at the purple tail. How fun. And then there's 2 that are not key rings, and they're just little wooden tchotchkes, I'm going to call them. They're very light. They don't say Puerto Rico on them, but oh wait, on the tail, they say St. Kitts, Kitts. Look how cute this one is. They have a little bell around their chin there, around their neck. Okay, those were all in a grab bag for the magic price of $2.59. And then lastly, my second favorite item of the whole day here, well, it was 2 days of thrifting, but the whole video would be this kitty. Look at this kitty, how sweet. And this was $1.38. I think that it's so cute. And I didn't find any problems with it, no chips or anything like that I can tell, but that face is just very, very sweet. All right, that's everything. You already know my favorites, and I would love to know what your favorites are now. Put those down in the comments below. I'm in my den right now, and here's where I put my latest addition to my tiny little collection. I have 3 of those now. 2 of the blue, that one's not an advertising one though. And then, what color? Yellow? I guess. Boy, I sound stuffy. I took a little rest on the couch and I woke up all stuffy. So it's really me. But there's the new one. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.